Yeah, are you there, sir?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It just and that password that you told me, that meeting doesn't require a password. It does require a password.
Okay, so
So
I just this I just share with you. Every time we use this meeting ID and passcode. Okay, inshallah.
okay, okay,
Okay, sir. So
okay,
read again from this
okay,
one. Yeah, this
okay.
one. Euclid.
Yukhrid,
Euclid. Euclid.
yuk, yukhrid, correct?
Euclid. Euclid. Yes.
Yukhrid, yughni, yughni, tajri, am'an,
Jam. Yeah.
jam'an, fat'un, fat'un,
Fathun.
fathun, ya, fathun, mu'minina, mu'minuna, yuminuna, musadatun, ikhra,
Iqra.
ikra,
Note down this thing.
sha'nun.
1 second. Then this, I think you know this. Then this alif has sakoon jazm. Then we not stretch. Then we jerk. Iqra.
Okay, only okay. Ikra, ikra,
Iqra. Ra, not ra.
ikra. That's what I'm saying. Ikra. That's a
No, no, no.
re.
It's not ikra and ikra. It's ikra. Jerk. Ra.
Okay, ikra,
Yeah.
ikra. Shanun,
Again, same rule apply.
sha'nun,
Good. Same rule.
ka'san,
Same rule.
basin.
Bisa.
Okay, bitsa,
Same rule.
yashak, yashak. You're joking there, yeah. Yashak,
No, it's yasha.
yasha, yeah, yeah, yasha, nasha. Same rule applies there too. Ismun, yaj'at, yaj'as,
Yabhath.
yabhas. Aya, aya,
Ahya.
ahya, ughra,
Ukhra.
ukhra, because it's zabar, khara zabar on the ra.
Yeah.
Ukhra, izhab, ushdu,
Yeah.
is, irkab, ushirat, nushirat, aizarat, aizarat, ahzarat, tumisat, pusijat, nushifat, yuzlamuna, yazharu,
Good. Ay.
isbir,
Istabir.
is where is istabir? I'm doing the one isbir,
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
correct? Isbir,
No, no, no. Isbir.
isbir, ب- بينكم ي- يبناهم فزليكا إليهم أعمالهم amalakum abdihim.
Huh? Read again.
Where are we? We're on the last row, right? Yeah, I
Yeah,
did that.
read.
Amalahum amalakum abdihim la
Aydihim.
a- aidihim. Yes, tabdil.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, this is a long one. Wait 1 minute. Yastaftiuna.
Yastaftihuna.
Yastaftiuna.
Huna.
Yastaftiu. Yeah,
Ha.
yastaftiu. That's and wow.
No, it's not
Yastaftiu.
ain, it's ha.
Yeah. Yastaftiuna.
Huna.
Huna.
Yeah.
Okay.
Noon sakin izhar. Yeah, we did this right before.
Yeah, we did this one, Noon Sakim, and can you go back on top a little bit? I want to read that Gunna, yeah.
Good.
Uh, yeah, it's Noon. Let me
Don't
read
worry
this.
about it, inshallah. Then we start, Tajweed books, inshallah. Then we
No, I just want to know the 5 letters. There's 5 letters in here. Meme, Noon. Can you go on the top again? Okay, the meme. Iqra, okay. Okay. Ha, Hamza, ha. Okay. There are six. Okay, and okay, we do the gunna with the thing, right? And I think iqdam is not right. Is not gunna is not with iqdam, right?
yeah. So
Yeah.
izhar, if any of the harufi halkia letters after noon sakin or tanween, then izhar will be made. Like gunna will not be done. So these letters, if after noon sakin appear, then gunna will be not applied, right?
Okay.
If
Mm-hmm.
izhar, sorry, ikhfa. If any of the ikhfa letter is present after noon sakin or tanween, then the ikhfa will be made. Gunna will be done. Okay. After then you see these letter after noon sakin or tanween, then gunna will be done. Very simple.
Okay. When you say noon sakin, is that the noon sukoon, right?
Noon
Noon sa.
sakoon and tanween, double fatha,
Yeah. Yeah.
those
Okay.
double those are do pesh.
Okay. Yeah.
Note
Okay.
idgham and iqlab have been described in lesson number 14. What's that lesson
Okay.
number? Yeah, this is lesson number 12, and
Yeah.
idgham basically described in lesson number 14.
Okay. Min ajalin.
Min, this is basically
Okay.
ikhfa.
Okay. Min ajalin. Min hadin. Min alakin.
Alaqin,
Min alakin. Yeah, alakin.
not
That's an N.
alaqin, alaqin.
Alakin. Min alakin. Min hakimin. Min hakimin. Min ghafuna. Min ghafurin.
Min ghafurin.
Min ghafurin. Yeah. Min min khawfin. Faman tabi'a min that's a say, right? Not
Yep,
a sheen, right? That's why I always get min samaratin.
good.
Min ju'in. Min dunikum.